Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the Google Pixel 4 XL mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and follow with the back cover removal. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cup pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While removing the back cover, be gentle, the flash sensor plug connects with the back cover. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 4 screws to undo the battery plug. Next, take out the sensor bracket by undoing 2 screws. Please note one screw is missing from our device. And then disconnect the plug to release the back cover from the body. Next, take out the battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, take out the left bracket on the board by undoing 3 screws. Next, take out the right upper bracket by undoing 3 screws. Next, take out the front camera and sensor module by disconnecting 4 connector plugs, the antenna head and undoing 3 screws. Next, undo one more screw on the top left. Next, take out the right center bracket by undoing 4 screws. Next, unplug 5 connector plugs, the antenna head from the logic board. Also, make sure to take out the SIM tray. Next, gently pull out the logic board from the body by moving cables aside. Next, take out the earpiece module by undoing the screw. Next, take out the button flex by undoing 2 screws. Next, take out the speaker module by undoing 3 screws. Next, take out the charging port flex by disconnecting the Taptic engine and antenna plugs. Be gentle in this process. Next, take out the antenna board by undoing 2 screws. Next, pull out the Taptic engine by applying heat. Now, the only remaining part is a broken front screen assembly with the frame. There are few different screen types are available for the replacement. The most common is the original service pack screen, which comes with the frame and buttons. There is another type, it is original but without the frame. But the repair is a bit difficult and time consuming. Also, there are refurbished, used, aftermarket screens with the frame and without. Furthermore, the price difference between the frame and without is not that big. I recommend you go with the screen with the frame and button installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. And this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing removed parts. First, place the charging port flex on the body. Next, place the antenna board on the body by securing the plug and 2 screws. Next, place the Taptic engine by connecting the plug. Next, place the speaker by adding 3 screws. Next, place the button flex by securing 2 screws. Ensure to fold the cable to put on the body. Next, place the earpiece module by adding 1 screw. Next, place a logic board in the body. Be gentle in this process and move cable aside while securing the panel. Next, secure the SIM tray and left screw. Next, secure 6 connector plugs and 2 antenna heads to the board. Next, place the bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, place the front camera module by securing 3 plugs and 3 screws. Next, place the top right bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, place the shield by adding 3 screws. Next, place the battery with adhesive. Next, connect the back cover sensor flex to the board and then place the bracket by adding 2 screws. Once again, our device has 1 screw, but your device should have 2. Next, secure the battery plug and place the bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, before closing the device, it is good to verify the functionality by powering up the device. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.